Hi, welcome to Avi's Kosher Kitchen. It's me, Avi. And you can see I am out in my luscious tropical estate. Well, not really an estate, but my backyard. I'm here on the porch. I got the grill going, and we are going to cook up some delicious wings. These are turkey drumettes, courtesy of our friends over at Whole Foods. Now, you know the deal. Totally pastured turkey, out there enjoying themselves, eating organic feed, just having the time of their lives, gobbling around and, you know, perfect now for the grill. Summertime out here, okay? So first what I'm going to do is a light seasoning on these, okay? We're going to just take a little bit of salt right on top, and now just a little granulated garlic. Like I said, light seasoning. We're not doing a big heavy thing with all sorts of herbs and stuff like that, because the magic to these wings is not in the seasoning, it's going to be in the sauce. So I have that here. This is my Asian themed sauce. I don't know what you would call it. It's like a hoisin teriyaki combo, whatever. And in fact, I made this for a turkey stir fry we did, a number of months ago. And let's go back in time if we can, and I'd like to show you exactly how it's made. Okay, so that was pretty cool. Next step, like I said, secret is in the sauce. I got a Ziploc bag, okay? Turkey, drumettes, go in the bag. Very nice. Take a little bit of my sauce right over the top. That's enough. Take the, let's put this out of the way. Take my bag. What we want to do is try to do two things. One, get as much air out of the bag as we can so that the turkey, so just leave a little corner opening here, squeeze our air out, seal up the bag, push it around, and there we go. Nice coverage on this, and we're going to let that sit and marinate for about an hour or so in the refrigerator. Once it's had that time to just let the flavors infuse, going right on the grill, and we're going to see that. Well, I'm going to see it in about an hour. You're going to see it right now. So, an hour later, I have a surprise for you. I've got this great Whole Foods turkey drumettes, been marinating for about an hour here in the bag with my Asian sauce. I also grabbed a pack of Whole Foods chicken wings. You know the deal again. Great chicken, pastured, not just free range, but pastured. And there's a big difference, and this is both with the turkey and the chicken. Free range, they have access to go out in the outdoors. Pastured, they're out in the outdoors. They're there. They're doing their thing, enjoying themselves, and just having a good time. And that's what we want to do. So I threw a couple of wings in here in another bag. Okay, now we're going to put them right on the grill. Ah, very nice. Let's take a look at it. I got my my camera here. I'm going to just show you how the grill is prepared. I got 3 burners. 1, 2, 3. They're all down on low heat. You want to keep it really low. We don't want to burn or scorch these. We want to just let them cook gently. And by the way, if the heat gets a little too hot, turn off the burner and let the radiant heat just sort of convect around a little bit within the grill. Okay, so there we go. There are our burners. I'm going to start with the turkey. Turkey obviously is bigger, thicker, going to take a little bit longer. I'm going to lay them right down on here. Now, this is a big thing. The drippings left in this bag, this is both from the turkey and the chicken. I'm going to seal the bag up, and this goes straight into the trash. Don't try to be a hero. I got a little bit of drippings here. I'll just put it on later, you know? You've got a recipe there for falling ill. We don't want that, okay? So there we got the turkeys on. I'm gonna throw the chicken on. We're gonna close the lid. Let it do its thing. It's gonna take probably about a half an hour because we're at low heat for these chicken wings to get done, and probably about 45 minutes or a little bit more for the turkey drumettes to get done. So I'm gonna let them cook. We're gonna flip them a couple of times, and in order to make sure that they are done, I've got two methods in which to check. And you need to know about these. So I'll be right back and I'll let you know what they are. All right, I gotta tell you something. These wings have been going half hour, 45 minutes. I flipped them, and but I'm not even gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you, okay? Let's take a look. We're gonna open up. Look at that, my friends. Beautifully grilled Asian wings. Chicken and turkey. The turkey drumettes. Now, how we're gonna dress them up and serve them? Easy. I'm gonna take 2 plates. One for the chicken, or one for the turkey. Let's grab a little bit, first off, of my my Asian marinade. You can drizzle a little bit here on the bottom, okay, just to give it a little bit of a bed to be in. Just sort of an abstract art, if you will. Okay, now, I'm gonna take our beautiful turkey, lay these on. Look at this. Beautifully done here. I'm going to tell you, I told you that I wanted to share with you how we can check if they're done, besides just sort of, you know, experience and that type of thing. Okay, I'm going to take a nice serving of the chicken wings here. The 2 ways you could do it is, one, an obvious one, you could just kind of cut it open and look at the bone. If the meat is too red, then it needs to cook a little bit further. If the meat looks like it's done, you're good to go. Or you can take is temperature. I have a nice quick instant read digital thermometer. We want to get it about to 165. I'm at 170 now, so that way I know it's done and I haven't damaged any of the meat close to the bone and ripped it up and made it look ugly. Okay, so I've got my wings right here laid out nicely. Let's just put this up here like so. I'm going to take a little bit more of the sauce, drizzle right on top, just a little bit. This is an optional step, okay? I'm going to take now, I have a little small knob of fresh ginger, just right over the top. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, we're going to put some of that on like that. And then I have some nice green onions, some scallions, just to give it a little bit of more of an Asian flair, which I like. It adds, actually, if you eat it with the wings, a little bit of crunchiness. And there we go. We'll clean this plate up. You know, just one second. A little paper towel. I'm just going to clean this up a little bit, make it nicer. You know, I'll be honest with you. My wife's over there watching me do this. Maybe even be able to hear her laughing a little bit. So she's like, "What's all the schmutz on the plate for? Clean it up." Okay, I got it. She doesn't really talk like that. She's got a very sweet voice. At any rate, there we go. Beautiful Asian-style grilled turkey drumettes and chicken wings, courtesy of our friends over at Whole Foods. 100% pastured, organically fed. This is the meat that you want to eat. Maybe we can coin that phrase. This is the meat that you want to eat, okay? Arguably, in my opinion, the healthiest meat in America. Here we go. The only thing I'm missing, really, is a beer. And I don't have one out here, so I'm just going to say a virtual l'chaim, my first virtual l'chaim to you guys. Happy eating. Pretend I've got a nice icy frosty mug here and a cold beer in here because we're at the grill. Nothing goes better with grilling than beer. And I'm going to say l'chaim. Till next time.